Who am I that the eyes that see my sin would look on me with love and watch me rise again? Who am I that a voice would come to sing, would come out through the rain and calm the storm in me? Not because of who I am, but because of what you've done. Not because of what I've done, but because of who you are. I am a flower quickly fading. Here today and gone tomorrow. A wind tossed in the ocean. Vapor in the wind, still you hear me when I'm calling. You're your guardian when I'm falling, and you told me who I